Okay, so I have been asked by someone how to install font on your iPad. So this video is going to show you how to install any free font on your iPad. So my digital teacher planner uses free Google fonts, so that's what I'm going to show you specifically. So the first thing you want to do is download the app iFont. So it says find, install any font. So this is the app that I'm going to use. Alright, so I'm going to open that, and then at the bottom you will click on Font Finder and click on Google Fonts. So it says access to Google's library of free to use fonts. And then you can search any of the Google fonts here. So in my digital teacher planner, I use 4 of the Google fonts. So you will search for each one of them and do this separately. I already have those on my iPad, so I'm going to just install a different font on here just to show you. So one I like is Indie Flower, so I'm just going to search for that, and then it pops up here. So you're going to click on Get. And then it takes a little bit, so it does say added, and then you're going to click on the installer. Alright, so here's the Indie Flower. So you want to click on install first, and it says this website is trying to download a configuration profile. Do you want to allow this? Click allow. And then it says review the profile in settings app if you want to install it. So you have to do that one at a time for each of your fonts. So now I'm going to X out and go to my settings, wherever settings is. Why am I not seeing my settings? Settings, right there, right in front of my face. Alright, so now click on Profile Downloaded and your font will be right there. So the Indie Flower Regular, and you want to click on Install. So again, that's Profile Downloaded. And okay, my passcode, there we go, and click install and install, and then click done. So now it will show up, so you can see I already have the Shadows into Light Regular, Shadows into Light 2, Delia Swash Caps, and Alex Brush. Those are the 4 that I use. And now I have Indie Flower Regular. So now it's installed. So now when I go to GoodNotes and I click on a text box and I just click here and a font, let's see if it added it. So we are looking for Indie there it is, Indie Flower. So now it's in my fonts. So that is how to add fonts, any of the Google free fonts, to your iPad. Alright, happy planning!